Wow. Literally right in front of us, guys. Probably only 15 feet away right now. Nice. Can't go wrong with this. Chilling next to a lake, filming the Sandhill Cranes. Sweet. So beautiful too, they have such nice feathers. Yeah, they're getting a lot of good stuff. Productive, fulfilling day for them. I love how they both just like lift their heads up, and I don't know if they just hear me and they're like, oh, is that something to worry about? And then they just continue marrying on their way, eating some food. I mean, they know I'm here, but they don't mind. Alright, well, I'm gonna let them continue doing their thing, having a good rest of their day. There's more adventures to be found here at the park. Maybe this is a sign for all of you to go get some dinner, or some lunch, or some breakfast. But hey, have a good day. Peace.